Hi everyone, welcome to Fun Academy Music class, where we learn musical instruments. I'm very excited today as this is our 15th video of the series. We are going to learn a nursery rhyme called This Old Man. If you know how to play the song, please play along with the music. Here we go! As usual, we'll have our right hand thumb on the C, second finger on the D, third finger on the E, fourth finger on the F, and fifth finger on the G. As for the left hand, thumb on the C, second finger on the B, third finger on the A, and fourth finger on the G.